Hi, I'm Jamie from Leyland Trade. I'm here today to talk about the Leyland Trade Heavy Duty Floor Coating. Our heavy duty coating provides a hard-wearing, durable satin finish designed to take repeated cleaning for any spillages that may happen. Ideal for use on any concrete or wooden surface, typically used in workshops, factories, but mainly garages. So let's talk facts and figures. Recoatable in 16 to 24 hours and it sets light foot traffic in that time. It covers a huge 11 to 17 square metres per litre. Now this is dependent on what you're painting and the colour you choose. I get asked a lot of questions about the heavy duty floor paint. The top questions would be, when can I place my car on the surface? And also, do I need a separate primer or sealer? Now the answers would be, 10 days is when you can place a car on the surface, and no separate primer or sealer is required. All you need to do is dilute this coating by 10% using white spirit. So there you have it. To find out more about Leyland Trade heavy duty floor paint, head over to leylandtrade.com.